as you can see, my tank has cleared up dramatically in just a few hours. You can see right now my tank is really murky or cloudy, and I've read about it and they said something about a bacteria bloom for new fish tanks. So I want it to be clear, so I got something from Amazon. So we're gonna unbox it today and apply it and see if it works. This is called the AccuClear, and it's supposed to clear cloudy aquarium water, and it works fast. So let's see if it works. See how murky my water is. It was way more murkier yesterday. I'll attach a video of how it looks like yesterday, but this one is a little bit better today, but it's still not clear enough. I want it to be clear. And as you can see, I also have a video about getting my new plants. These are 10 type of plants, and I have a video for that. So let's try to apply this.
And my fishy.
It says here that clears cloudy aquarium water fast and improve filter efficiency, eliminates floating particles. And it says here how to use, when to use weekly to keep the filter performing maximum, or whenever your water is cloudy. So using this dosing bottle, add 1 ml for 8 gallons. So I only have 8 gallons, so it's just a little bit off 1 ml. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it says here, if water doesn't clear after 24 hours, dose again. So I'm just going to use 1 ml, so that's very little. This is 5 ml this line, so it's below that. So it says safe for use with fish and plants. Keep out of reach of children. So let's try it.
So you're going to open the tank?
Yep. So here it is. Let's put the solution in. Just very little. It says don't overdose. So I'm just gonna put like 2 ml. I don't need to put a lot because it says 1 ml for 10 gallons and I only have 8 gallons, so I just need very little. So that much. I'll just put it in the hole.
I like the fishy. The fish is so cute.
So there you go.
What's
So
that?
I added that thing, and let's wait for a couple hours and see if it works. I'm gonna
I
time
want
it.
to feed some shrimp food.
So it's been 6 hours since I placed this AccuClear, and as you can see, my tank has cleared up dramatically in just a few hours. You can see the ghost shrimp, and I planted some plants from the back.
Shrimpies flying around, peas.
From the back.
Shrimpies flying around, peas.
So it's been 24 hours, and this is how the water looks like. As you can see, it's really clearing up now. So this thing really does work. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.